Hey, hello friends, today I am going to discuss about 8051 microcontroller. This is EdSim51 simulator that is used for assembly language program related to 8051 microcontroller. So I am going to elaborate, discuss and explain the simulator. Okay, so in the below section you can see this is the interfacing means if you want to connect some hardware devices, then we can interface by writing some code at this place. Okay, assembly language program and code at this place and interface the devices. This is used for DAC digital to analog converter interfacing, and this is used for LCD interfacing. Now this is used for 7 segment display. Okay. ADC analog to digital converter interfacing, stepper motor interfacing. Okay, now at this place you can see this is data memory. Okay, now here you can see this is registers used in 8051 microcontroller. These registers are from R0, R1, R2, R3 to R7. There are some special function register just like PSW, program status word, DPTR register, stack pointer and program counter are mentioned here, and this is accumulator. Okay, now this is port P0 to P3, P0, P1, P2 and P3 port, and this is timing mode, T mode and T con used for timer. Okay, now in the right side you can see there are port P0, P1, P2 and P3 are given. There are some pin numbers are mentioned. Here you can see if you want to use port 0, then in the port 0 there are pin number P0.0, P0.1, P0.2. This is pin numbers for port P0, and this is the port 1, pin numbers for port 1, and this is pin number for port 2, and this is pin number for port 3. Okay, now when we write any assembly language program, then we need the reset. So RST is used for reset, ASM is used for assemble the code, run is used for run the code or execute the code, new is used for when we want to use when we want to write some new code, then we need to open new page, then we use this menu. Load, if we want to open the saved program, then we can load that program from load menu. Okay, so what are the process of writing a code and how to execute that? Suppose that I am writing here a single line code, that is move a comma has 0 to 5 yes. Now second line is end. Okay, this is the code, single line code. We want to store 25 H in the accumulator, so we use this instruction. So first of all, assemble this code, and after then we can run this code. After executing this code, we can see in the accumulator section the result is given. Okay, here you can see in the accumulator. Okay, this is the 0 accumulator, and 25 can be stored in this place. Okay, so by this way we can execute the program, any program in the EdSim51. So this is some basic introduction related to EdSim51. Okay, now we click on RST if we want to modify anything in the code, and after modifying the code we can assemble again it, and then we can execute it. Okay, and finally we can see the result in the memory section or in the accumulator. Okay, thank you very much.